Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to UpIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove extensions from your Google Chrome. Now, having extensions on your Google Chrome can be a good thing because it enhances the experience and give you a lot of features, and this basically allow you to do a lot more with Google Chrome. However, with this, at times it can cause Google Chrome to slow down, and you may want to remove those extensions. And also, if you no longer use an extension, it doesn't make sense to keep it. You can disable it or just simply removing it from Google Chrome. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove extensions from Google Chrome. So once you're inside Google Chrome, simply click the three dots on the upper right hand side and go down to where it says extensions. Alternatively, you can just simply click extensions icon right here, right next to bookmark, and you'll have the option to manage extensions. It's going to take you over to those extensions. Now, you can find whichever extension you no longer need, and you can first disable it, and then you can simply remove it, right? You don't necessarily have to disable an extension first to remove it. You can just simply hit remove. But if you don't want to remove it, you can just simply disable it so that you can use it later. But to remove it, simply hit remove, then click remove again, and that's it. The extension is now removed from Google Chrome. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.